कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
Hello friends, welcome to this episode of Market क्या लगता है. This week has been a fantastic roller coaster ride for both the indices. And finally, as we are at the close of this particular week, so I believe that yesterday we have got our bottom for this correction. And what a style it was when the indices confirmed the bottom yesterday. So we'll talk about it. Let's take a quick look at what was our expectation when we mentioned about market kya lagta hai episode last week. So last week in Nifty we had kept a target of 14,907 and 15,059. There was a lot of weakness in market, and owing to that weakness levels could not be reached, and actually we made a new lower low. Now incidentally we could realize that the lows which were formed on last Friday were very important, and during the week, during the midweek, we could actually take benefit of the bearish action and trade in that direction. If you can refer to Telegram channel's messages, you will realize that at no point in time the view was bullish after a weakness can be seen in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So similarly for Bank Nifty as well, the target was of 34,600. Market never reached to those levels, and now in fact we have seen new lower levels, but I believe that the market has recovered from here. Let's quickly take a look at the today morning's message. So my today morning's message, 14,300 was our support. So this is a message at about 8:20 in the morning. So 14,300 for Nifty and 33,000 came to rescue during yesterday's session. Also a possible bullish divergence on momentum oscillator. Can we see a rapid up move was my expectation. See, whenever we have a truncated expiry, then the move is rapid. Now this is one hint for you guys for the coming week, and because we have a holiday on Monday, it's a long weekend. So Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday there'll be an expiry after 3 trading days, 3 trading sessions. So these 3 trading sessions should be good, right? There should be a good momentum. Nifty currently we can see at 14,500, and what if in next 3 days we get a very strong bullish action, Nifty crossing let's say 14,800 or maybe 15,000. So who knows? So these 3 days are going to be very interesting. So Nifty with a base of 14,300, can we see quick 14,907, which was our previous week's target or this week's target? And Bank Nifty with the base of 33,000, can we see 34,625? A lot depends on today's action. Today's action was positive yet sideways because there is a long weekend ahead. So the seller wants to make or gain premium from both the directions, right? So one hint that I passed on today, be agile while trading options, because currently the trends that we are seeing are narrower, smaller in size, in percentage wise, in point wise. So one has to be really agile to make most of these kind of trends. What was our yesterday's message? So वो भी एक important point है. Friday's low was probably my message. हाँ, so ये कल का मेरा मैसेज है. This is yesterday's message. Friday's low was important as we discussed in yesterday's message. Bank Nifty is weaker was our observation as well. So yesterday Bank Nifty broke its Friday's low as well as broke below 33,300 as well. Today it would be eminent to see if Nifty follows Bank Nifty. The overall bias of the market is sideways to bearish. Don't jump into trades blindly. Bank Nifty may retest 30th December 2019 का top, that is 32,750. That level was conquered yesterday, and for Nifty we may see 14,412 again. Both these levels were completed yesterday. And see, again my point is that because this is a very trickier kind of a trade, so I keep on guiding, I keep on talking very specific about these messages. And also I am doing the same thing with the participant for the students as well. So as we can see, when I'm entering into a trade, so I'm also posting what should be the trailing stop loss, what level should be the trailing stop loss be, and this message goes across. Now the prime participant do not need this kind of a hand holding, but at times, even for an experienced trader, when the market is not doing exactly a momentum kind of a trades and it's very sideways and one has to be very agile, quick to book through profits. So I'm sharing these kind of trades, these kind of input, so that traders remain motivated, they remain in high confidence, and they can perform their trades in a immaculate execution point. So these are the live things which was shared. Trail at cost so that stop loss is not needed. Keep trailing stop loss at buying price so that your profitable position does not turn into a loss making trade, is what I keep on sharing. So I kept on sharing a lot many things and advantages of having stop loss in the system. So all these things, multiple entries today, multiple exits, and it was amazing kind of a day. It was profitable, good, healthy kind of a profit. I think I have shared that as well. Let me quickly see if I can. Not a very simple, not a very easy kind of a day. So this I have shared today. Today it's not about the profit figures. Today's day was not easy. Today I saw extremes in MTM. So at one point in time I was 1 lakh plus, and from there within the next checkout I was almost minus 1000. Finally exited all positions at about 68,000. My exit was around this level 236 when Nifty finally made a high for the day, or even Bank Nifty made a high for the day. So those were the levels where I exited my position, and the reason I was sharing this is just so that with a small position as well we can manage the position at the right time and keep on generating profit. That's the whole purpose of it. चलो अब आते हैं हमारे एनालिसिस के पार्ट पे. When we are talking about Nifty, so with respect to Nifty, this is a weekly chart, and how beautifully Nifty has almost taken support at this 14,223. They always say so close yet so far, and this is the same thing that's happening about this R level of 14,223. So in a way market was very close to it, but it never breached this level, whereas this 14,418 has become a very favorite level of Nifty nowadays, and it keeps on testing this level every now and then. If we quickly go on to hourly chart to see ascertain how these actions are happening. So we got a new low here, right? And from this lower level, today's action, as we can see, it's a gap up and an island kind of action. We are expecting a follow up to this action. Let's say tomorrow as in Tuesday, there's a long weekend. So from this low to this high, your first target is going to be 14,600. Another target will be 14,763. And once we cross above this level of 14,700, then the next target of 14,800 will be in sight. कितना मोमेंटम रहेगा, कितना ज़बरदस्त मोमेंटम रहेगा, we need to find out that on Tuesday. And because it's a very bullish kind of action which is expected out of indices, so it will be fun, interesting thing to watch. This is hourly time frame. Hourly time frame bullish target of 14,657. So this is one target that we are talking about. Another target will be, I believe this level 14,781 will be one important level, and if we can see a gap up opening around this level, it will be fun to watch. And again, breaching these targets on a really quick succession would be an interesting thing. So I'm going to stick with these two targets, 14,657 and 14,781, with a caveat that because this is a truncated expiry, we have a holiday on Monday, and even the next week is going to be a truncated expiry because of there is a holiday on account of Good Friday on Friday, right? So it's a Good Friday, and I am expecting market to behave very ferociously, and I will not be surprised if we breach this level of 14,800 in a very short span of time and march towards 15,000. But let us not be very aggressive in our targets. So let's keep targets as per these levels. So Nifty hourly target of 14,657, another target will be 14,781. When we are looking at Bank Nifty for the similar kind of a period, so weekly chart of Bank Nifty showing it has already retested this previous top 30th of December का जो top था उसे फिर से retest हुआ है. Now this resistance becomes support here. So with the similar thought process, if we check on hourly chart as well, so there is a bit of bottom formation here. From there is a high and a higher low being formed here at this particular level, and from there if we calculate our target, so naturally the first target will be 33,900, that can be 34,000. I'll be happy if I see this target on Tuesday, right? And the next target that I'll be looking at will be this 34,349. So let me just rename this target. So Bank Nifty hourly time frame bullish target of, what is that target? 33,932 is the target. 33,932. Clicking on OK, and the second target will be this. So this level again, Bank Nifty. So this target of 34,350, right? 51 it is. Let's keep 51 only. 34,351. So these are the two targets that I am taking into consideration for this particular week. And quickly, if we can see the market zooming past these levels, then sky is the limit. So what is the sky? I feel that this important support level will be an important level. So I'll just now put not as a support, as an important Fibonacci level. So this level will be important. See, naturally when the price takes support at a level, then it becomes support. Now because we are below this price, so it might act as a resistance. So both way this can be used, and this is how we are going to trade in this particular week. These are the two targets that we have calculated. Mind you, if the volatility is high, if the momentum is high, then these targets will be completed in a jiffy, right? But if you are trading in options, ensure that you keep a proper positioning and be agile while trading in options, right? Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you like the videos, if you like these levels that we are sharing, then do write into comments. Do let us know about your experience. And also, if you like the Telegram channel, you can subscribe to the Telegram channel. You can write in comment how was it helpful for you throughout the week, through the roller coaster ride, and let's be connected. Thank you so much. I'm signing off.